Hi guys, it's Deborah from Time is Jewel by Deborah. Well, we are doing a clearance video. This is part 1 for July. You see the numbers. So how this works is I will go through jewelry. This will be all costume. It will be $10 and under. So I will assign a number to each piece, and then what you can do is claim below down here in the comment section. And I post these at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if the requests come in overnight, don't worry. I will check the timestamp, and that's how we do it, by timestamp. So if, say someone wanted number 1, and it comes in, say, at midnight, I will go back in the morning after I get up, and I will check and see who came in first, and I will reply to your comment, gotcha, got it, stuff like that. So I am going to try to do 2 clearance videos this week, so that way we can combine all the shipping together for the next invoice period. So, all right. If you're new here, thank you for coming. I'm Time is Jewel by Deborah, and I love doing these clearance videos. These are actually my favorite. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, let me bring up a tray. You can hear the crinkle crinkle. All right, so we're going to start off with a bang. This is Amrita Singh. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous bracelet. No missing rhinestones, gold tone. It is signed and marked right there. This is number 1. We're going to do it for a clearance of $8. Okay. Number 2 is a necklace. This is really pretty. It's a bib style. It's gold tone with really pretty fiery orangish red acrylic pieces. It is an adjustable necklace. This one we will clear out. Number 2, we'll do that for $3. Clank, clank. All right, number 3 is a beautiful gold tone necklace. I love this swirl design. Let me go ahead and lay it out so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I just have to get it back over to its side. There we go. Really beautiful. It kind of reminds me of crescent moons. It is in beautiful condition. This is number 3. We're going to do it for $4. Number 4, this is a Bayer, B-A-E-R, San Francisco piece. Here is your tag. It is a hammered necklace, gold or silver tone, excuse me. This is number 4. We're going to clear that out for $4. Okay, number 5. They're not all going to be necklaces. This is really pretty. This is a multi-strand necklace. So you've got regular chains and then I call them the designer chain, bar link. Really pretty, excellent condition, no maker's mark on it. Number 5, let's do that for $3. All right, let's do number 6. This is pretty if you love pink. This is Candies. It's new on the card. It was originally $20 in the store at Kohl's. Really pretty. It is acrylic, pink, multi-strand. Number 6, we're going to do that for $2. Okay, number 7. I'm going to do a couple necklaces and then we'll get to some earrings. So this is another bib style of a silver tone with black acrylic ovals and circles. I almost said hearts. Circles. It is an adjustable necklace. This is number 7. We're going to clear this out for $2. Okay, number 8. Oh, I don't like the condition of that one, so we're going to move that aside. Let's do a pair of earrings. These are little leaf earrings. Really pretty. They are gold tone. No maker's mark on these. They are number 8. We're going to do those for $2. Number 9, I'm going to do, these are cool. These are a copper with a, this is not verdigris. This is how they make it. They put this green coating on it. They're really pretty earrings. These are number 9. We're going to clear those out for $1. Okay, number 10 is another pair of earrings like that. They are copper tone. Let me get them out. Copper tone with that green on there as well. And it's supposed to be there. Number 10, we're going to clear out for $1. Okay. Number 11 are gold tone hoops. They do move with you. These are really pretty. Number 11. I'm going to clear those out for $1. Number 12. These are really pretty earrings. Let me lay one out for you. So these are silver tone hoops. They are wire with faceted decoration. Really pretty. Number 12. We're going to clear these out for $2. All right, let me get another tray. All right, clank, 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 clank. All right, let's move this over here. There we go. Number 13. This is a little locket. It's silver tone, and it's for Alabama. So if there's any Alabama lovers out there, this is number 13. We're going to do it for $3, and it is a locket. So 13 is $3. Grab a couple more numbers. They like to slide, so. All right. Number 14 is another Alabama. This is a bracelet. Really cute. Silver tone, adjustable. Number 14 will do for $3. Number 15 is really cool. So it is an antique brass tone, Gone with the Wind, Margaret Mitchell, and it is a locket. Isn't that neat? We'll go ahead and do number 15 for $5. Okay, number 16 is really pretty. This is an Alex and Ani star adjustable bracelet. It just pops open like that. Number 16 we're going to do for clearance for $2. Number 17 is a gold tone necklace. Let me get it untangled. I swear I don't know how I get stuff tangled. So it is gold tone with faux pearls. It's a multi-strand necklace. Really pretty. Number 17. Let's do that for $2. Number 18 are beautiful earrings. So they are gray with a faceted piece, and then right down there. They are really lovely earrings. These are number 18. We'll go ahead and do those for $3. Number 19 are cute. Look at these. They're faceted green. They are flowers. We're going to go ahead and do a clearance on number 19 for $2. Grab some more numbers. Number 20 is a cool necklace. So this one is, I think that says Bobble Bar. Let me go ahead and check that. Okay, so this is number 20. It is Bobble Bar. So it is an antiqued brass tone with rhinestones, and you come down here. These are black beads with rhinestones here. A really pretty necklace. Number 20, let's do that for $3. Number 21, let's get the bracelet mandrel out. So this is a size 8, and it looks like brass, and I'm not sure if this is shell or not. It is a beige color. It does look like shell, but I'm not 100% positive. So number 21, we're going to do for $2. Number 22, oh look, I found it. There is a matching necklace to those earrings. So really pretty. It is acrylic. It is silver tone. Number 22. Let's do those for that for $3. Number 23 is a really pretty beaded bracelet. You've got a loop there. It measures in at a little over 7 inches. Really pretty with that black and like a slate blue. Number 23, we'll do that for $2. Number 24, this is a vintage sailboat. You can see they were pretty sloppy with the enamel, but no one's going to see that on the back. There is a little bit of loss there and there, but it's a really cool sailboat. Number 24, we'll do that for $3. Okay, number 25 is a pair of earrings. These are tricolored, so gold tone, silver tone, and copper tone earrings. They do move with you. These are number 25. We're going to clear those out for $1. 26 is a gold tone necklace. With faux pearl. All right, let's get that unknotted. Oh, I just made it worse. Let's see. The struggle is real, you guys. You guys know. You know. And I do this all day long. So let me go ahead and unclasp it. I think that's going to be the easiest way. So let me know in the comments if you guys are loving these, if you want to see a like sterling clearance or a clearance sale on, or a sale on just amber. I got a bunch of amber, volley, anything you guys are looking for. There we go. So it is gold tone, really beautiful, excellent condition. Number 26, we're going to do that for 5. 27 are just fun earrings. These are acrylic, but aren't they adorable? They got little flowers on them. Number 27, we'll go ahead and do those for 2. Next tray. All right, number 28. This is a cha-cha bracelet with rhinestones. It is in a gunmetal. There is no markings on it. This is number 28. We're going to clear that out for, let's do it for 6. Number 29 is a brooch. I guess, okay, let's see. You wear it this way, or you can wear it this way. It's super pretty. No missing stones. Number 29. We'll go ahead and do that for 4. All right, number 30. This is really pretty. It is a stretch bracelet. It is blue, cat's eye, glass, and number 30. We'll go ahead and do that for 3. Number 31 are a pair of really soft gold tone earrings with a really pretty, those are acrylic earring. Number 31, we're going to clear those out for 2. 32 is super pretty. So this is black faceted, or excuse me, that might be pyrite faceted. That's what it looks like, not positive. And then you've got a pearl. And you've got, that looks like a jasper, really pretty. Just making sure there's no missing stones. Nope, no missing stones, just right there, there's a little space. So number 32, we will go ahead and do this necklace for 4. Number 33 are fun. Look at these earrings. So they are acrylic with like silver pieces in there, really adorable. If you love pink and silver, I love it. And mixed with that gold tone, that's really nice. Number 33, we're going to clear this out for 3. 34, these are just silver tone hoops, really pretty. We're going to go ahead and clear those out for $1. Grab some more numbers. All right, 35 is, nope, don't like that one. All right. This is a flower, multicolored, distressed looking. And then you have beads and wiring. There is some dirt here. Not sure if that can clump up. We're going to go ahead and clear that out for $1. That could be great for a craft project. Okay, number 36 are cat's eye beads. They were originally a stretch bracelet that had broke. So I did leave all the pieces in there. Number 36, we're going to clear those out for $1 for my crafters. 37, okay, this is a stretch bracelet, but not really. Kind of is about a 6 1/4. Super pretty. 37, we'll do that for $1. 38 is a pair of copper tone earrings. These are turtles. Look at them. Aren't they precious? No maker's mark on these. Super cute. Number 38, we'll do those for 2. Number 39, oh, I have them attached. So these are acrylic. Let me lay them out. So you've got a tri-level earring. They are acrylic faceted. Number 39, we're going to clear those out for $1. Number 40, I have another Alabama. This one is a pendant, or a locket, excuse me. No chain on this. Number 40, we'll go ahead and do that for $2. Number 41, I think I see a marking on these. So this is marked Sugar Fix. So these are really pretty bow earrings by Sugar Fix, number 42. We'll do those for $3. Oh, I don't know. I'm not sure if I use this number or not, so we'll just skip it. All right. 43 is some kind of a stone with a gold tone little bail there. You'd probably need to put another jump ring on there. Really cute. 43, we'll do it for $1. Number 44 are a pair of earrings. They are silver tone. We'll clear those out for $1. Number 45 is an acrylic cat brooch. Really adorable 3D. We're going to go ahead and clear this one out for $4. That was number 45. Number 46 is a pretty necklace. So you've got beads, you've got shell, you've got metal. Really a lovely, lovely piece. Number 46, we'll do that for $5. Okay, 47. These are on clearance as well. Lucky Brand earrings. They are new on the card. They were originally $35. Wow. Number 47, we're going to clear them out for $6. Okay, number 48 is J. Crew. Here is your mark. It is an acrylic, really beautiful faux tortoiseshell. We're going to go ahead and clear that out for $6. Number 49. Let's get this. Oh, this one's pretty. Okay, look at this. Abalone. It's got other stones in it. Really pretty. No maker's mark on it. Oh, wait. Here's a maker's mark. Not positive what that is. Do you guys see that? It is a beautiful necklace. It is marked CN on the hang tag. And then I think here is the mark as well. It is a beautiful necklace. This is number 49. We'll go ahead and do that for $8. All right, and the last piece for part 1 is a pair of red, white, and blue tassel beaded earrings. Super pretty gold tone. No maker's mark on them. We're going to go ahead and clear those out for $2. So great. So don't forget, you're going to claim by number. You're going to claim down here in the comment section and put what number you're looking for. The price would help as well if you can put that in there. And then I will keep a completed sold list, and that way you guys will be able to see that before you claim it. And I will try to keep that up to date. And if it comes in overnight, not a problem. If you are new to the channel, please fill out the Jotform. It is down below. And that way I will have your shipping information so I know how to invoice you so I can send you our items. All right, you guys. Well, I will see you on part 2, which is coming really soon. And as always, be well, take care of each other, and tell someone you love them today. It's important. Bye, you guys.